Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jamaican split pea soup. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried split peas, some smoked meat like pigtail or beef, and hearty root vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. Don't forget your aromatics, fresh garlic, a medium onion, and a few sprigs of thyme. Finally, grab 1 can of creamy coconut milk and 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature island kick. Now let's get started with the preparation. Begin by thoroughly rinsing 1 cup of split peas under cold water. Then soak them in water for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight to reduce cooking time. Next, in a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Sauté your chopped onion, minced garlic, and a bit of grated ginger until fragrant, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your diced smoked meat and brown it lightly. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Drain and rinse your soaked split peas, then add them to the pot with the sautéed aromatics and smoked meat. Pour in about 6 cups of fresh water, along with 1 full can of rich coconut milk. Carefully add 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for at least 1 hour, or until the peas are wonderfully tender and the soup thickens. Almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper from the pot. You can gently press it against the side to release more flavor if you like, but be cautious with the heat. Stir in some freshly chopped scallions and a generous pinch of black pepper. Taste the soup and adjust the salt as needed, keeping in mind that smoked meats often contribute a good amount of sodium. Ladle your warm, comforting Jamaican split pea soup into bowls and serve immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.